Atupitone Governor Dr. Michael Atingi ego ngisabui moabe koingun kobala ebe raya liokone na mame kotitunga apokino kenge.
We had elections in 2021. I was in Bank of Uganda. We did not print any money for elections, so I'm not aware of that. And I mean, it would not be possible for us to print money for election because the government is aware of the consequences of printing money, the inflationary aspect of it. So government cannot go and do that. So that's not true, at least from my standpoint.
Nerano ikamuntu za Aijerunun na gugungu na Isirigin walk abo itacha webe akirongun noejielo eja ikiringa kwa kuna Russia ka Ukraine nepeka kirono abo akolonga da iketa kinora neko Uganda kisiborichie duporete agugungu na Isirigin walk akiriantu okwebongune kwa.
We have had a challenge with inflation. We are all aware inflation went up last year, largely caused by the Russia-Ukraine crisis, by the drought conditions that we had in the country. But we have tried to, as much as possible, put in policies in place. And as you're aware, inflation has begun to come down.
Amboeli pate kerna iteso aloma rumakor na itabari ko bala ebe eraingon bune ipone lode perrekse kiuntu mobakor narai ejasa Aingadis nepe kailonin luda ejasi nepe kaisirigin lu kidioko lu nyakarjo kwa pameda abo ishalame kiteso kano ejaunu kesi kosoda isumuni kinebe ebune Aingadis ainopuno apotu kesi olimokisi kesi.
Just for being an agricultural region, we have some credit facilities that they could benefit from to increase their production and also take advantage of those facilities to go into agro-processing so that we can add value to what we're producing and maybe fetch more. In that way, we'll be able to address everybody, right from the producers up to those ones who are adding value. And in that way, we are lifting everyone out of subsistence.
Well broader war ngisa polo kinto na Aingadishan wakwa za buo balebe ebungesi aike unungunu kede Aingadishan wakwa kutuma uriante kech osabiti kalo aboda etacha webe epote kesi ainyabukano ikamunto se banks lo taptagula na ritogo itunga ikaulo na ikurokena itona etacha loan.
Quite importantly, we listened to several pain points that customers put across, very genuine. Some of them require more information, some of them require on our side, on the commercial banks, to make some changes and accommodations. The one that touched me particularly was the agricultural loan, the agricultural facility loan, where some of the businesses said they are required to pay monthly. Typically, agricultural loans, the repayment should be structured per season, because it is not like a monthly salary where I get it every month. I first grow, the harvest, and then when I sell, I get that money. So structuring such loans really need to follow the crop or whatever you are lending to. It is not a monthly, and that is feedback that I will certainly take. We have a meeting of chief executives next week, and many of the other pain points that are shortening agreements, not making them complicated, and things like that. So we hope to discuss some of these and also make some adjustments, because we are in it together. Banks cannot thrive when the real customers and their businesses are struggling.
Ruanana soditi na banka lo Napolon na bunorene teso airiamune peka itunga imoru ni kamuntu ziswa Godfrey Ojore, TV East, Soroti.